Hello again and welcome back to my channel. This is The Kid in the City. I am Jonte. This is not your first time, welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time, welcome back to my channel. Ooh-wee. If this is your first time, welcome to The Kid in the City, where basically we just get into some makeup. So today we are getting into the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. So if you want to see how I got this looky right here, definitely stay tuned and let's get into it. Alright, so here we are with the final eyeshadow look from the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So the first color that I went into was ginger, then I put edges on top of that, and then this nice green sparkle is the shade Sponsored, and then on the bottom I have Sponsored, a little bit of ginger, and then some of Credit on top. This is a super cute palette. Very nice colors. I've used this palette 1,000 times before. I don't know if it's expired or not, if I should still be using it, but it's super pretty. It's very versatile. There are you can make like some nice nudes. She has 1 2 3 4 5 no, she has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I can't count, 2 4 6 8 8 shimmers, and those are Soleil, Zam, Wigglese, Shookington, Trust Issues, Dwellers, Sponsored, and Lituation. And then she has some nice pinks. She has a really good purple. I like what is this one, Wigglese, this little red shimmer. It's a really good palette, and when I cleaned out my vanity and moved, this was definitely one of the palettes that I held on to. So there's that. Super nice, super versatile. Again, I've had it for a long time. I used it all the time, and I'm gonna continue to use it until my skin says less. I don't know if Auntie Jackie would like that, but I'm not getting rid of it, so it is what it is. That is basically it. Of course, if you want to see the full glam and the full get ready with me for my entire face, that is also on my channel, and I will link it here. I'll put it right there, so you can check that out too. But that is basically it. Of course, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City, the same as the YouTube name. And that is basically it. Thank you so much for sticking around for a nice review on a super nice palette. Yeah, that's about it. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid, and for that I thank you. Until next time, bye.